Eyes play a major role in face attractiveness. There are different eye shapes, but most attractive eye shape is hunter eyes. Hunter eyes give rugged and masculine look. We can achieve hunter eyes in 3 steps. The last step is very important. We cannot achieve the hunter eyes without doing the last step. Eye squeeze. Eye squeeze is best exercise for achieving hunter eyes. It directly affects eye muscle to strengthen it. So daily do this exercise up 30 reps in 3 sets. Eye pulling. This exercise change your eye from negative tail to positive tail. Negative tail make face afraid, but from positive tail the same face look confident and mysterious. To instantly achieve the hunter eye, we have to grow thicker eyebrows. I know the most of your eyebrows look like that are dead. You cannot achieve hunter eyes until you have thicker eyebrows. So thick your eyebrows, then sharp it through razor blade. Use the good quality serum for thickening eyebrows. To make hunter eye look in second, you have to touch the ball upward, then rest your eyebrows downward, just like that. Hold this position as you can. Moving play a major role in making hunter eyes. Through moving you can achieve jawline as well as hollow cheeks, which is rare. Moving. How to move in a correct way. Tell N where your tongue touched, hold the tongue in that place, then tell K. Moving is tongue posture, not exercise, so you have to do this lifetime. This is the 3 way you can achieve the hunter eyes. I hope you something learned from the video, so like and subscribe.